Hi, admins. Let's customize your milestone statuses for projects in Pipeline CRM. To see the status that I'm talking about, if we open up this project, let's take the kickoff for example, we'll hit edit, and these statuses right here, not started, in progress, blocked, and done. To edit these, let's go over to settings, go up to projects, and click milestone status. By default, you have a few statuses already set up, but you can edit, add new, edit the colors, and match them to how your team actually works. To edit an existing status, you can click here, you can rename, and you can click and add a different color. Make sure you click the green check mark. You can delete these two. The not started and done are permanent by default. To add a new status, click here, enter the name, click the color square, add your own color. Let's call it follow-up, and we can click here. You can also arrange these to show up how you'd like in the drop-down when you choose the status. One thing to note, the project level statuses, open and closed, are fixed and can't be changed. Only milestone statuses are customizable. Thanks.